Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video of TT Rockstars. So as you can see, there's a battle going on, which I'm fast. So I'm going to click here, info, was the starting date was on 13th of May 2023 and started at 9:40 p.m. The ending date is going to be on 13th of June 2023 and it's going to end 3:30 p.m. 13th of June. So from here it's the 27th of May and now from here it's going to be 17 days left, 17 days. So now let's see our people results. It's going to be rare. See, as you can see, I'm fast. So yeah, so the games I'm going to be playing today is we playing Gig today. A May Gig, May, the month May. May the 27th. We're going to play Soundcheck to beat the clock and, and 3-minute garage. I mean 2 soundchecks, 1 gig, 2 soundchecks and 1 3-minute garage. Let's start with Gig as the thing. Bing bong. Okay, so welcome back to Gig, same thing as before. So let's play. I like Gig. Gig, I never get anything wrong. But I need to be really careful, especially when I'm playing fast. I'm playing fast right now. But I know my time... Oh! My god, my key. No way! How did I get it wrong? How did I get this wrong? No, 2 wrong. Okay, this gig is ruined. Now I ruined my May gig. It's fine. At least I'm good at TT Rockstars. That's the thing. It doesn't matter if I get wrong. I don't care. At least I'm good and I score good points. Got 3 wrong. Okay, so as you can see, I got 970 coins. 97 correct, 3 incorrect, and my speed is 3.09. I can't get less than that in Gig. I can get 3.00. When I click on see more, it says, well done, you have completed a gig for this month. Play a gig next month, it means in June, to see how you've improved. Next gig is 1st of June 2023. There's 4 days remaining, 27th of June to 1st of June. Yeah. Might make my next video on 3rd of June. Or I should make my next video early. Today's gig, I got 97. Previous, I got 100. And my change in score is -3. Questions, gold correct. Gold correct. And I lost marks on these 2. And this one. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. See. No, it's just fine. Okay, now let's do our sound. Or actually, let's get in garage. 3 minute garage first, and then how normal thing sound check. And that's it. Okay, I need some time. One sec. Let's start again. I'm doing something I'm not supposed to be doing. So I know what you want from me. You know, do you guys play TT Rockstars or Maths Frame? Like, remember in the other video I showed you how Maths Frame is. If you don't remember, or if you don't watch that video, I'll show you in this video. Quickly after all our games, after I show the battle and see how much on the calculator, then I'll show. Okay. So yeah, and I need to get on the streams. 91 seconds left. What's the time? 11:47. If you want the time, it's just on the right bottom. You know you're right. It's like here, right bottom. Oh yeah. Okay, I got to do more quicker. Got 10 correct. Not good game, but it's fine. I'll still work. I at least got 200. Okay, so as you can see, I got 2,080 coins. 208 correct, 10 incorrect. My speed is 0.87 seconds per question. Then progress. Quest. So now our time. Now it's sound check. See, as you can see, my speed is 25. All these days. See, 25, 24, 25, 24, 25, 24, 25, 24, 25, 25, 25. Let's play. Normal thing. Not long. No! I mean, I accidentally, when I was clicking 5, I accidentally clicked 6. I mean, I said wrong numbers, so I mean, But yeah, it's just this. You know, if you play Mass Frame or TTR Rockstars, you can let me know in the comments, because under the videos I can see in the comments, so it's fine. Okay, so my game is done. So you can see I got 120 coins, 24 correct and 1 incorrect. When I click seed more, my speed is 24. Here. Don't worry, we're gonna play another one. See, 25, 25, 24. I just like, it's fine, alright. Okay, another one. So yeah. And this time I'll try not getting any wrong. Okay. I know what you want from me. I know what you want from me. Okay, I haven't got any wrong at the moment, but I need to be careful. I know what you want from me. Oh yes, finally I didn't go anywhere. Okay, so as you can see, I have 129 coins, 25 correct, 0 incorrect. Let's go. And when I can see more, now it's 25. Yes. See, my latest score is 25, my highest score is 25, my initial score is 25. So I need all of these 25. This one, not good, not good, not good. Okay, so now we're gonna check our battle, the main thing. Okay, so as you can see, I'm first. Yes, so let's see on the calculator. You want that one? Take away 7, 3, 8, 9, 806. Perfect. So I'm 806 ahead of him, so there, 8195 in there. Perfect. Now, as usual, as I said, I'm gonna show you Mass Frame because this is Mass Frame. I think you saw this in the other videos, like you see. Like all these games are here. See what's this time? Harness, Caterpillar. Oh shit, let's see this game. This was my favorite game. I mean, I didn't play it. I'll just show you it. See? There are even other games here, like... Yeah. Oh yeah, that's Master. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe as usual, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.